Hello, Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Right now is the start of our fall growing season. Our plants are finally recovering from the summer stress and are quickly rebounding with a flush of new leaves and flower growth. You can help your plants with this recovery by replacing nutrients that were leached out by the summer heat and frequent watering. Plants need these fresh nutrients and proper pH to produce all the new fall growth. Whatever the plants are in your yard, we have the proper fertilizer that you need. Tree and broadleaf shrubs need more nitrogen to produce leaf growth. Our Dr. Q's tree, shrub, and vine has 16% nitrogen. Roses and other flowering shrubs or bedding plants need more phosphorus to help with their flower production. So our rose and flower food has a higher phosphorus content with its 16-12-4 formula. For those of you with desert landscape, the formula 5-10-9 in our Dr. Q's Desert Plant and Cactus is perfect for all of your desert plant needs. To ensure that our fertilizers act efficiently, all of these products contain sulfur to help counteract high pH or alkaline in our soil. Now is also a good time to use Dr. Q's Royal Flush Superior Lawn Fertilizer or a dual-purpose fertilizer like Weed and Feed for lawns. If you're in doubt about what to use on your plants, use a good balanced fertilizer like our Dr. Q's Triple Play 777 with iron. This will be a safe fertilizer for all types of plants and will give them the basic nutrients they need. Along with fertilizing, now is the time to replenish the mulch around your trees, shrubs, flowers, and vegetable gardens. A good quality organic mulch, like our Dr. Q's Pay Dirt, breaks down naturally over time as a surface mulch. This will release natural humic acids when broken down by soil microbes. These acids neutralize the high alkaline deposits frequently found in our soils and make the nutrients more available to the plants. Best applied as a 1 or 2 inch layer twice a year in spring and fall. It also acts as an insulating blanket to help protect the surface roots from the heat and the cold. Remember, fertilizing and mulching are the key to better desert landscapes. For more information on this topic, check out our free Star Notes, number 600 and number 620 at starnursery.com. And don't forget, we make house calls. Visit your favorite Star Nursery location to purchase your house call. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing. I'm Joey Lynn, and I'll see you next week.